Understanding the term mudroom in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and learn new terms and phrases together. Today, we are going to unravel the meaning and use of the phrase mudroom. This might be a new term for some of you, and that's completely okay. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a mudroom is, its purpose, and how you can use this term in your everyday conversations. So, what exactly is a mudroom? A mudroom is a small, dedicated space in a house, usually located near the entrance. It is designed to be a practical area where people can remove their dirty or wet clothing and footwear before entering the main living spaces of the house. This helps to keep the rest of the home clean and free from mud, hence the name mudroom. The primary purpose of a mudroom is to provide a transitional space between the outdoors and the indoors. It is particularly useful in regions that experience a lot of rain, snow, or muddy conditions. Residents can leave their wet umbrellas, muddy boots, and soaked raincoats in the mudroom, preventing dirt from being tracked into the house. Some mudrooms also have storage units like shelves, hooks, and benches, making it easier for residents to organize their belongings. Now that we know what a mudroom is, let's talk about how to use this term in a sentence. Here are a few examples. 1. Please leave your wet boots in the mudroom so they don't dirty the carpet. 2. We keep all of our winter gear in the mudroom for easy access. 3. The house has a spacious mudroom, which is perfect for storing outdoor equipment. In these examples, mudroom is used to refer to a specific area in the house designated for dirty or wet items. And that's a wrap. We hope this video has shed some light on the term mudroom and how you can use it in your daily conversations. A mudroom is indeed a practical space, especially for those living in areas with unpredictable weather. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.